As demand for lightweight, high-speed drones and compact cruise missiles grows across the defense industry, aerospace innovator Destinus has introduced the T150 Turbofan engine, a next-generation propulsion unit developed in just 6 months for unmanned strike and reconnaissance platforms. The T150 delivers an impressive 150 kilograms force of thrust at 57,800 revolutions per minute, all while maintaining exceptionally low fuel consumption, just 0.12 kilograms per hour, making it one of the most efficient engines in its class. It also provides 1.5 kilowatts of onboard electrical power, eliminating the need for separate generators and reducing system complexity. At the heart of the T150 is a radial turbine, a key innovation that breaks from the traditional axial turbofan layout. This design choice slashes the engine's size and weight to just 530 mm in length, 245 mm in diameter, and 17.5 kilograms including accessories. The simplified architecture also boosts reliability, eases maintenance, and lowers production costs, all critical for rapid deployment and modular integration. Another standout feature is the dual-use fuel lubrication system. Instead of a separate oil circuit, the T150 uses Jet A1, JP8, or JP10 fuel mixed with only 5% oil, eliminating bulky pumps, tanks, and oil coolers, a major advantage for compact, weight-sensitive UAVs. The T150 is already being integrated into RUTA, Destinus's newest UAV that functions as both a reconnaissance drone and a hybrid cruise missile. Powered by the T150, RUTA boasts a range of up to 300 kilometers, offering high-speed penetration, deep strike capability, and stealth, ideal for modern battlefield conditions. With global militaries, including the Ukrainian armed forces, rapidly adopting loitering munitions, jet-powered kamikaze drones, and precision micro-missiles, the T150 positions itself as a game-changing solution. Its mix of compact design, high efficiency, and low operating cost makes it a strong contender to replace heavier piston and turbofan engines in next-gen UAVs.